Hello, it's Mark Matorch here from Markham 3D, and this is just a quick update on one of the games that I'm making for somebody else. It's going to be a 10-15 minute experience. This is what we've got so far. So here's the console that we built in one of the live streams a couple of weeks ago, and this is all part of that puzzle that was on the live stream. So we got one puzzle here, and then coming into the next area, we've got a whole bunch of green doors, blue doors, and there's a red door over here. And this is kind of a puzzle that you need to get through in order to unlock this door. And here we've got kind of like a bit of a maze here that you have to get through. The plan is you need to get through this whole section. And if you don't trigger off the sensors, then this door will open into the final area. I'm just going to delete that. I'm just going to delete this sun. And so we can see those spotlights better. So these are just placeholders for now. And I believe if I click simulate and give it 12 seconds and the lights start to move, and you can see you got to kind of get through without triggering. Now it's not just the circle here. It's actually kind of the path of the light as well that'll kick off the sensor. So you got to somehow try and navigate through and get to the end. And then there's the final goal. But that's just one of the games that I'm making at the moment. Yes, and if you're very interested, please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I will be releasing this as well, just for a funsie, and I will release as well the whole kit, the whole, all the core files for the game as well. So yeah, once again, please make sure you like and subscribe to keep you updated with my channel. And yeah, thank you very much for coming.